Don't blink. What you're about to see is the raw power of modern logging technology.
Let's take a close-up look at the process of pulling a heavy excavator out of a deep, muddy ditch. Clearly, it's been pushed to the limit. Now comes the ultimate test of torque and hydraulics. Will the recovery go smoothly, or is a mechanical disaster loom? Don't blink, you won't want to miss this dramatic ending. The X16 apple harvester by A.M. Rousset revolutionizes orchard management with its efficient, gentle picking mechanism. Operating like an intelligent vacuum system, it collects fruit swiftly and precisely, preserving quality for various uses, from cider production to fresh export. Watching it clear the land with such ease is oddly satisfying. It's like watching nature get a fresh haircut. The Cat 299D paired with this cutting head is a game changer for anyone tackling overgrown lots. The precision and speed it offers not only save hours of backbreaking labor, but also leaves the land ready for replanting or construction in no time. Wait, Tate. I think it wants to go. Oh, it wants to go. Accident. The boat off code. Consapper code. Vito. Oh, not the mold, it's mold. Moldy. Both personal and professional use. Initially powered by the Goldner G30S, the machine delivers consistent mechanical force, making it ideal for demanding tasks. Later, when switched to 400 volts electric power, the machine maintains its high efficiency with an eco-friendly and quieter operation. Perfect for stationary use, its sturdy construction, advanced hydraulic system, and user-friendly controls make it a valuable asset for wood processing, providing both versatility and power in different working environments. What just dropped at Afapa Seville, a citrus picking machine that could change everything. It wraps around citrus hedgerows, gives the trees a smart shake, and scoops up the fruit like a pro. No hands, no fuss, just tech that knows an orange from a leaf. Citrus farming just got a serious glow up. I thought he had succeeded, but a single slip turned all his efforts into a disaster. Fortunately, he wasn't injured, but the excavator fell down and might have been severely damaged. Look, there. Oh, I feel. Unbelievable! The large bucket wheel excavator is working powerfully at coal mines, capable of digging and handling massive amounts of earth and rock. The power of this machine is not only shown in its enormous size, but also in its ability to operate continuously in harsh environments, ensuring maximum efficiency.